Good morning, YouTube. My name is Nick.
I'm Alicia.
This is Hank. We are Michigan Trail Trekkers, and today we're in St. Helen exploring Ogemaw Nature Park.
It's a nature park with some whitetail deer, some peacocks, and I believe some other animals during the summer. You can come and visit and make a donation and hand feed them.
Yeah, we're gonna take a little tour to show you guys what they have to offer.
We have to put Hank back in the truck. No pets allowed.
Nope. So they have a pretty good sized parking lot here. If you're happen to be driving by and you got your toy hauler, camper, whatever, trailer, big truck, there's plenty of room here for you. So I actually have this deer up here that's in a display case, and the story is that someone snuck in here years ago and illegally shot this deer, and they were able to track it down, and this is what they did with it. Put it in this display case outside back when it was alive. Bad glare on the window. There we go. So over here, see the pen. We're gonna walk in there.
Ogemaw Nature Park offers a hands-on experience where visitors of all ages can feed and interact with Michigan's whitetail deer. It features family-friendly amenities like a picnic area, event spaces, and a seasonal gift shop. Originally founded in the 1920s as a deer sanctuary, the park grew into a local attraction when deer were trained to respond to a dinner bell. As a nonprofit today, it's supported mainly by visitors purchasing deer feed, and it continues its mission of education, conservation, and community engagement.
You can see they're used to being hand-fed. They have a donation box here.
It's $2 a bag.
$2 a bag. Open this up. Let's see. You got corn, you can hand feed these guys.
You know,
I don't think we're the first ones to do this. Such a pretty coat.
You do it like that? Yeah. There you go.
Let me get a little bit of that corn.
Jeez.
Don't want to leave anybody out. Don't want to leave anybody out. Here you go, dude.
You gotta let me put
A little
my
tongue
hand in there
puncher.
first.
Oh, you guys are so sweet. See if I can get this fence out of the picture. There we go.
Come
Beautiful deer. There's usually a lot of bucks in here, so I'm thinking right now maybe is the time of year when they've shed their horns.
Yeah, you can see he had horns. Go. Ah, nibbles, little nibbles. Come here.
Look at you guys. Just cutest little things. We have 4 deer in this pen. Looks like there's a total about 5 or 6 pens now. There's another guy coming out. Feed me, lady. It's a super cool spot.
Kind
You
of
guys should
reminds
come
me.
check out, especially if you have kids. The kids would love it. I'm a grown kid and I love it. So it looks like, I don't know if this one might be in the pen by itself.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
looks
think
like
it might have
it's
just
connected up
made
there.
it. Yeah, the gate's open. You gotta get out of mud.
See a third stall. You can see a bunch of guys laying down back there. That's funny, they know who's got the bag. This guy didn't bring no good stuff.
Aw, you're sweet.
They're all coming for
I
you.
like you.
This sign's cool.
Get out of here. Yeah, you got a little mouth.
They're so cute. Oh, you guys get that corn, huh?
There you go. There you think I got a little mouse.
They're so precise, too.
They are.
What's up, man?
It hit me in the face.
It's too bad they're not all this friendly in the wild. You could just drive the Jeep around the woods and pass corn out. Look down here, a handful more of these piebald deer.
Ooh.
So cool, and that's something you see in nature often. What's up, guys?
Aw. Got like a wound on
Hi.
its side. What you doing?
It's funny, they look at me and then they hear the bag and they're like, they know who's got the food. Come on in, buddy. Probably first visitors of the day.
Let me get my hand in
Early
there.
morning on a Friday. Give me a little more. Hey, bud.
They do have a hand sanitizing station as well. Oh, he's got some grass in his eyeball. Yeah.
Over here, hand feed one of these guys. You want some? Oh no. Here you go. Here, you get some too, buddy.
I'm coming.
Hey, you little hog.
Hi. Hi.
What a
I'm
bully.
coming. There you go. Are you coming? Come on.
Wish I could give it a little better shot, but you know, fences got to be here.
Look at his nose, the white one. They definitely help him out. Yeah, look at you.
Aw.
Here,
You had a little accident, huh, buddy?
there you go. Eat it at your own pace. There you go, big guy. There you go, big guy. Ooh. Nibbler. I don't see any more in the big one.
So yeah, if you get the chance, it's pretty good entertainment for $2 and you're helping out. This place was actually closed down shortly, and I think it was within the last month they just opened up, and I think it was a funding issue. I'm not 100% sure, but I will look into it and confirm. It's been a few years since we stopped in here.
The end of the bag.
Pretty cool.
It's very cool.
I don't know many places you can hand feed deer, especially the white ears. See you guys. Hope you have some more visitors sometime today. Plenty of corn in there.
Yep. Hi. You are so cute.
All right, guys, till next time. Got Perel over there, the
I
hand
know.
cleaning station,
I'm like
but
getting the
got some
pre-corn
gutter
powder.
drippings.
Yeah. Yuck.
I got this white hand cleaner on the ground. Look at that, good as new.
Looks like cornmeal.
Got a little hand cleaning station here for you guys. The deer are probably cleaner than most humans were around. But
Yeah, I don't really think you can get anything from them. They just touching you with their tongues.
so that's the Ogemaw Nature Park. Hope you guys get a chance to check this place out. I'll drop the coordinates and an address down in the description below, and you guys can come out whenever you want. As far as I know, they're open all year, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day. So. Till next time, friends.